In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix all-snap error in Chrome. If Chrome keeps showing the all-snap error while loading a page, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by something simple like a conflicting extension, corrupted browsing data, an outdated browser version, or even interference from security software. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a clear process to troubleshoot it and get Chrome working normally again. First, disable conflicting extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with how websites load, especially if you have ad blockers, privacy tools, or tab management add-ons running at the same time. Open Chrome's extensions area and temporarily turn off your extensions, especially any that were installed recently. Um, After disabling them, try reloading the page that was giving you the error. If the page starts working, that usually means one of those extensions is the cause. You can then turn them back on one at a time to identify which one is creating the problem. Next, clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Over time, Chrome stores temporary files and site data to help pages load faster, but sometimes that stored data becomes outdated or corrupted. When that happens, websites may fail to load properly and trigger errors like AW snap. Clear your browsing data, including cached images and files and cookies, then restart the page. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of some websites, so be ready to log back in if needed. After that, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. This opens the main menu where you can access settings and maintenance options. From there, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. This section shows your current browser version and checks for updates automatically. If an update is available, Chrome will begin downloading it right away. Once the update is ready, click Relaunch to apply it. Running the latest version of Chrome is important because updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and security patches that can resolve crashes and page loading problems. Finally, check your antivirus. In some cases, antivirus or internet security software can block certain web processes or conflict with Chrome, which may cause the AW snap error to appear. Review your antivirus settings and see whether Chrome is being restricted in any way. If needed, temporarily test whether the issue changes while reviewing those protections, then adjust the settings appropriately. By working through these fixes in order, you can usually pinpoint the cause and solve the problem quickly. If one method doesn't work, move on to the next until Chrome is stable again.